Welcome to our tutorial on the Layout Sketch Assembly command. First, let's go to the Layout tab. Then we'll activate the Create Layout tool, which will create an assembly layout sketch. Let's choose a normal 2 view. This layout sketch behaves similarly to a regular sketch. I'm going to create 3 rectangles now. Activate the Center Line command. Now right-click and select. And let's Control-select these 2 center lines and delete them. Now let's apply some dimensions. 120 millimeters here, okay. This one will be 50 millimeters, okay. And this one, I'll enter 30 millimeters, okay. Let's make this dimension 10 millimeters, okay. And we'll make this one 10 as well, okay. One more, let's make this 10 also, okay. Let's zoom in. Let's add 6 circles. Something like this. Last 2 here. Now we'll Control-select all 6 circles. And I'm going to add an equal relation. Then I'll apply some dimensions. Let's make them 7 millimeters in diameter. Okay. Lastly, I'll create one more construction line, something like this. Right-click, select. Let's zoom to fit. Now we'll create 4 blocks using my layout sketch. Click OK. Deselect everything. And activate the Make Block command. Let's select this rectangle. Click OK. Deselect everything. Let's select this rectangle. Click OK. Last block. Click OK. Now we've got 4 blocks. Next, we'll apply some relations between the blocks by simply grabbing and dragging the blocks. Last one. Let's select this line and apply a fix relation. Click OK, and let's check how our construction works. Now we can exit our layout sketch. We see the layout icon next to the assembly icon. As a result, we've got 4 blocks which have relations between one another. We're going to be picking up this sketch in our subsequent tutorial, so stay tuned, folks. This concludes our tutorial on the Layout Sketch Assembly command.